In this video, we will have a look at this generic car stereo. It's generic, has no brand name, and just a generic picture. Probably they use the same box for different models. Here it says FM and MP3 Stereo Receiver. So it's just MP3 player and FM radio. No CD, nothing fancy. Plays MP3, Windows Media Audio, and WAV, FM receiver, electronic system, preset, equalizer, 18 memory presets for FM radio, digital clock, and it has a remote control. This one, I think it's the 12 volt. I got this second hand. It's not second hand, it's new. I got it from the op shop for $5. So inside we have the receiver itself. It has damage here, been hit, so I don't know if it works or not. We will take it apart and see what's inside. So this is, here we have USB type A port, SD card slot, auxiliary input, and this is okay. Clock, you press it, it will show you the clock. This is the on off switch, equalizer, loud, rewind and fast forward, and this is a knob preset by the look of it. Something here, but it's not populated. The interface, we have input, I think, speaker here, we have fuse, radio, antenna. Very simple. Yeah. Here we have the remote control and some other miscellaneous stuff. This is the user manual, and we'll scan it, and it will be at the end of this video if you would like to have a read. Does it show you the wiring? I think. Let's open it and see what's inside. So that's the inside. It's very simple, very basic. The audio amplifier here, and this is the logic board with the MP3 player. It's very lightweight. So let's turn it on and have a look at the display. This piece of metal is very thin and very sharp. I cut myself with this edge. It's very sharp. Okay, so these are for the speakers. These, the red and the yellow, it's the positive, black is ground. This is for power antenna. That's according to the instruction here. So I will connect one speaker and the power supply and turn it on, and also fix my finger. Okay, turns on. Let's connect the speaker. This is FM, I guess. Let's try to use this as an antenna. This is the volume.
That morality there, and my grandma was a very gentle soul. I've got very fond memories of her just stroking my forehead as I was spending school holidays with her, and always feeling very safe and loved. And I think if I hadn't have had
Let's try a USB. How do you change to USB? I switch the light off so it will be easier to see. This is USB. And switch it off, it will dim. This is the mode. Auxiliary. Bluetooth. Oh, it has Bluetooth. Good. And FM1, FM. Where is FM? FM1. If you change the band here, FM2, FM3. Yeah, just FM. And if you press this, the knob, you have balance, fade, loud, off and on, and the equalizer. And this is the equalizer off. Clock, if you press this, it will show you the clock. Let's try to search FM channel or something. Let's find a station.
has transformed around. I think that is a very powerful thing. I think that listeners can also take away from this and say that, wow, if that was me, I don't need to be in that situation right now. I could become more like Danny, help somebody else who's going through that kind of situation. So I think that's really powerful. Yeah. And empathy. As we move along, we become survivors and then overcomers, and that stage and that process.
This is it. It's very easy, very basic player. So these are the speakers. First I connected one of them to the common ground. I thought one ground and one speaker, but after checking, all these two colors are one speaker. This is one speaker, the green and black, and the other ones as well. Yeah, that's it. So we'll put it back together and maybe sell it for $10. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.